Are you feeling overwhelmed? Struggling to keep up in this fast-paced world? What if I told you there's a game-changing tool that can revolutionize your workflow? Meet the TheAIredbook. It's not just a book, it's your ultimate productivity partner. Imagine entrepreneurs turbocharging their businesses with budget-friendly AI tools. No more drowning in tasks. They can streamline operations and focus on growth. Now think about corporate leaders. They face performance pressures daily. Suddenly they have access to real-world applications and expert advice. Efficiency skyrockets. Innovation becomes second nature. Freelancers, listen up. Are you juggling multiple clients? You're not alone. With step-by-step tools, you can manage tasks like a pro. Attract more clients and regain that precious work-life balance. What about tech enthusiasts? The learning curves can be brutal, but fear not. The TheAIredbook brings diverse use cases and the latest AI advancements right to your fingertips. Stay competitive without the hassle. And educators, let's face it, time is your enemy. But we've got your back. Motivational content and practical tools empower you to enhance learning experiences. Keep your training programs fresh and impactful. So, what's the secret sauce? It's all about time management. These curated tools save hours and simplify your workflow. Worried about costs? No problem. We offer resource optimization without stretching your budget. Want the upper hand? Stay ahead of the competition with the latest AI innovations. It's easy to use. Our step-by-step guidance makes AI accessible for everyone. No tech wizardry is required. And finally, let's talk continuous learning. Join a community that fosters a growth-focused mindset. Because we believe that learning never stops. Ready to level up? What's your biggest productivity challenge? Comment below and let's tackle it together. A brighter, more efficient future is just one tool away.